Alright, hi everybody. I'm here to show you how to repair the Apple Lightning cable. You can see that mine is pretty badly damaged. Even the shield is really gone, So, well, what you need over here is that you can actually order this braided shield online. If I'm not wrong, this is a 4mm version of it. So, at first look, right, you think that this can't go through at all. At first look, you think this can't go through, but actually it can, because braided wire can be expanded. You can see that it can be expanded. So what you need to do is just basically push it in. See that? It's pretty easy. So get this in. Just keep doing this. Just keep doing this. It's important to burn it off so that this will actually be not in this state. I did not burn it, that's why it's this way. I'm going to just put the tube over and then it'll be done. This should be the 10mm if I'm not wrong, before it shrinks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut two ends of it. Okay, one for the other end, so at least both ends will be protected. So make sure that it's a little bit longer, so that when it shrinks, because not only that it will grow smaller, but possibly it will be a little bit shorter. Alright, so I'm going to just push this in. This is for the other end. Okay, and this is for this end. You can see that I'm going to make sure that it covers all, because you can see that even the plug starts to crack up. It start cracking up. You can see this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this is over the plug, just to make sure that it wraps beautifully over it. If you have a heat gun, you can use the heat gun. If not, then you just light up a match or over a candle. This will do the job of shrinking this. Alright, you can see that I have put this all under the flame and it's all beautifully sealed up. You can see, I'm not sure you can see, but yeah, the thickness of this tubing is pretty good. So that also means that the protection is going to be much better than most of the shrinking tube. Yeah, you can see beautifully done up. Okay, just a little bit blackened out by the soot, but over here I'm going to just take a cutter to trim it a little bit, and this will be perfect. Alright, there you go. Here is the DIY braided, repair for the lightning cable.